As autumn leaves begin to fall, it's time to bring the cozy spirit of the season indoors with a handcrafted fall table runner. These charming projects add a festive touch to any table, perfect for Thanksgiving feasts or everyday autumn decor. Quilters love table runners for their versatility and quick completion time. They're ideal for showcasing seasonal fabrics or trying new techniques without committing to a large project. Let's explore free fall table runner quilt patterns that will inspire your next autumn creation. First up is the Easy Fall Table Runner by Ramona from The Stitching Scientist. This beginner-friendly design features a row of half-square triangles framed by patchwork strips. At 12 by 45 inches, it's perfect for most tables and can be easily lengthened if needed. Next, we have the Scrap Lab Table Runner and Pumpkins by Camille Ross Kelly. This pattern includes a 30.5 by 12.5 inch chevron table runner and 3 stuffed fabric pumpkins, creating a complete autumn vignette. The A New Leaf Table Runner showcases a row of pieced leaf blocks, allowing your chosen fall fabrics to shine. Measuring 20 by 48 inches, it's a stunning centerpiece for any autumn gathering. For those who enjoy applique, the Fall Leaves Table Runner by Heidi Lund captures the rich colors of autumn foliage. At 16.5 by 34 inches, it's perfect for adding warmth to your dining space. The Leafy Table Runner by Donna Jordan uses fat quarters to create a striking display of seasonal colors. Its simple shapes and rich tones make it an ideal project for quilters of all skill levels. For a whimsical touch, try the pumpkin-shaped table runner. This 13 by 62 inch runner adds a playful element to your Thanksgiving table with its unique pumpkin shape. Halloween enthusiasts will love the Bold Candy Corn Table Runner by Trina Kirkvold. This modern design features candy corn colors against a black polka dot background, perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your October decor. The Go Star Struck Table Runner by Marianne Fontana offers a dazzling array of stars in various sizes and colors. At 18 by 66 inches, it's sure to be a conversation starter. The Go Pick of the Patch Table Runner celebrates autumn's bounty with charming appliqued pumpkins in various sizes and shapes. Measuring 18.5 by 57 inches, it's perfect for any harvest gathering. Lastly, the Go Pumpkin Table Runner by Stephanie Jacobson creatively uses the Snowball 6-inch finished die to create charming pumpkin blocks. At 14 by 54 inches, it's a great way to bring autumn vibes to your decor. These projects allow you to experiment with autumn-inspired fabrics and designs while adding a personal, handmade touch to your home decor. So grab your favorite fall fabrics, choose a pattern, and start quilting your own cozy piece of autumn. Want more fall table runner quilt patterns to bring the beauty of autumn into your home? Fall into the collection at ilovequiltingforever.com.